Welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to see how to do correlation in Spotlight search, which is available in macOS. Currently, I am using Ventura, so we will see how to do that. Okay. First, you can click on Command spacebar. After that, you will be getting Spotlight search. In that, you can type any number. First, we will try addition of two numbers. I have typed 100 plus 200. So I am getting the sum of two numbers, that is 300. 100 plus 200, that is 300. We can even add three numbers, so you can see the sum of it. Okay, I will try four numbers. So it is showing like 1000 is the sum of the four numbers. Okay, we can even try multiplication. The same way you can try more numbers also. Okay, now I will try subtraction. 12 minus 1, 12 minus 5. So we will try division. So 1000 divided by 10. Okay, so it will be showing the result. So usually you will be going to the calculator, or you will be doing that through Google search. Okay, so here it will be very easy for you to do that from the Spotlight. Simply clicking on command space, it will be showing like Spotlight search. You can type the number you want to add or subtract or multiply or divide. Okay, so then you will be getting the result. Okay, try this feature. So no need to give equal to here. Okay, just type the number without equal to. After that, give the addition or subtraction or multiplication or division, then give the next number. You will be getting the result. Okay, from here itself directly you can go to the calculator. If you want to directly take this particular calculation to the calculator, you can click the option available in the bottom. Doing that, it will be taking you to the calculator. Here also you can continue with your action. Here you see, before it was 48 plus 4 I have added, so it is coming like 52. So I want to multiply, you can do that. Okay, so here again you can even add another number and click on this one. That will take you to the calculator again. Okay, so try this feature, it will be useful for you